If you're watching this, End has begun. Command points, declassified brief. Command points are your resource in battle. The more command points you acquire, the more Central Command can offer you additional units or mission support. Command points accumulate constantly, but you can gain more points by securing uplinks. You spend these command points by requesting reinforcements and mission support from Central Command, such as airstrikes, electronic warfare, and force recon. Airstrikes allow you to call in strike fighters to strafe or bomb enemy positions. Electronic warfare immobilizes and disables enemy vehicles and aircraft for a period. Force recon allows you to call in regular army troops to support or defend a position. These options are displayed in the mission support dashboard. You can also use your command points to set new landing zones for reinforcements or to use a last resort WMD strike during DEFCON 1. Choose how you spend your command points wisely. The battle may be yours.